Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've come out this morning to forage for a load of wild garlic. Such a beautiful herb to know about. You'll find it growing abundantly really all the way through to the end of May. It grows in wooded, damp areas, particularly where there's plenty of sunlight. Super easy to identify, mainly because of the aroma. You'll smell that beautiful pungent garlicky smell. Long kind of spear-like leaves, and obviously the very unique white flowers. A beautiful example of culinary herbalism, knowing about wild herbs, not just to make medicine, but how to use it in culinary form in herbal food. So what we're going to do is forage for a load of this, and I'm going to go home and make a wild garlic pesto, which you're actually going to use as a pizza. So a wild garlic pesto pizza. I'm going to crank up the wood-fired pizza oven, and then we're going to make a wild garlic pesto pizza and a forage garden salad to show how we can integrate these beautiful wild herbs into our diet in a real health boosting, fun, enjoyable way. So now that we're back from our lovely forage, we've got a big basket full of the fresh garlic. We're ready to make the pesto, and all we're doing is replacing the basil from a traditional Italian pesto with the wild garlic. Other than that, we've got a bowl of hazelnuts. Classically, you would use pine nuts. Walnuts are a good option as well. We've got a fresh lemon. We've got our block of parmesan, and we've got a high polyphenol extra virgin olive oil. I get mine from Back to Roots just because their quality is exceptional, but any good quality extra virgin olive oil. Those 5 ingredients, we're ready to go. So that was such an awesome day. The pizza was amazing, but more than that, we got out as a family, went to a beautiful woods. We had a great morning foraging for all of these herbs, and to come home and be able to actually make this super healthy, super tasty food on the pizza oven was incredible. Obviously got loads of this stuff left now, so we'll be using that for salads and lots of different ways over the coming days to make the most of it. So, and that's the beauty of foraging. If we had a baseline of understanding, we've got this abundance of medicines and foods just we can use in so many ways. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the pesto. If you want to stay up to date with all of this content, please do subscribe to the channel so you stay updated when the new videos are released, and I will see you in the next video.